Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic that many of you might be curious about. How does an election year affect the real estate market? I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra. As real estate brokers, we have seen firsthand the impact political cycles can have on buying and selling homes. So let's break it down.
With the presidential election only months away, you may wonder what impact that will have on our housing market. Even though the effect is usually small and temporary, history shows us that the market remains strong during election years. It's essential to understand that election years often brings a sense of uncertainty.
We have also noticed throughout the different election cycles that buyers and sellers may hesitate to make significant financial decisions when the political future is unclear. This uncertainty can lead to a temporary slowdown in the real estate market. People might adopt a wait-and-see approach, holding off on buying or selling until the election results are known.
One critical factor influenced by election years is interest rates. The Federal Reserve may adjust rates in response to the economic climate, which can be influenced by political events.
Election can also lead to potential policy changes that directly impact real estate. For example, a new administration might propose changes to tax law, housing, or regulations that affect property ownership. These proposed changes can create uncertainty as buyers and sellers can try to predict how new policies will affect their investments.
Also, consumer confidence plays a significant role in the real estate market. During an election year, media coverage of the political debates can positively or negatively influence public sentiment.
It is also important to note that the impact on election year can vary by region. For example, in areas with strong political affiliations, the local market might react more dramatically to election outcomes.
So there you have it, a quick overview of how election years can affect the real estate market. While our uncertainty and potential policy changes can create a cautious atmosphere, they also present unique opportunities, and as always, staying informed and working with an experienced real estate professional can help you navigate these fluctuations effectively.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And stay tuned for more updates into navigating the real estate market. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the real estate market.